is this is something which looks so closer to what I've been eating all my life, but it has such a great smell, aroma, taste. I can't wait for your rice to be cooked so that I can eat it.
Yeah, so tempting,
wow.
eh?
It's very tempting. Oh my god! And the best part, what I liked about it, is that it's slow cooked. That's the best part of cooking, because you can't have cooking done in a short time. You can never have a store-bought mix to make home special cooked food. So this is the best thing about it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and this is how we eat, because we're from the east.
Yeah, this is how we eat with the hand. Is it? Tastes good, yeah.
Oh my god, that is something which I think I can eat the entire day now. It's just so good, bro.
I hope you like it.
I love it.
It's a good cooking session, yeah?
I love it. Absolutely.
And
Amazing. And I think everybody should learn how to make this dish, because it's going to blow your mind. 100%.
this is poh rendang.
Yes.